Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about data type and variables in brief. So let's get started. Now friends, when it comes to Python, there are like numerous data type available to us, namely integer. First of all, what is an integer? Integer is nothing but a whole number. For example, 20, 30, 40, minus 96, minus 7, 8, 11, any whole number is an integer when it comes to Python. Then we have floating numbers, floating point numbers. These are numbers with decimal point. For example, 1.00, 25.5 or minus 9.3. Any number with a decimal point is a floating point number. Then we have string, and it can be identified by str. Now these identifiers are the shorthand expression which is used by Python, so take a note of it. We will deal with data type a lot in our video, so don't worry much about it, but take a note of it, that what exactly are identifier, what are the type of data type available in Python. We will definitely practice in our future videos. Alright, so then we have a string. Str is the identifier. And what is a string? A string is simply a sequence of character, for example my name or 1@gmail.com. So take a note of this particular email address. In here we also have some characters, some special characters. So when it comes to string, any special character, any alphabet, any number is allowed. A character can be sequence of any character. Alright, then we have boolean. A boolean value, a boolean variable can contain true or false value. A boolean is used to identify whether the condition is true or false. We can also create a variable of boolean type. We can store true or false in a variable again. Then we have list. What is a list? As the name suggests, it is a ordered list of object. And as in this definition we are making use of this word object. In a list we can contain anything. It could be list of integers, floating point, string, or in fact it can contain combination of any type of data in the list. So take a note of it. Then we have sets. What is a set? Set is nothing but a unique list of object, a unique collection of object. What do we mean by this? There cannot be repeated objects. In the list we can have repeated object, but when it comes to set there cannot be any repeated object, right? So this is a unique collection of object. Alright, then we have the dictionaries. What are dictionaries? These are collection of unordered key value pair. So there are key and value pair. For example, we can have two keys in here, my key, some value, age equals 99. So whenever we would like to extract information out of a key, we can do that. We can extract the value from the key my key, and we can read the value of my key is definitely some value, right? So this is a key value pair type of collection, and we will again talk about dictionaries in our later videos. And finally we also have the tuples. Tuples are immutable sequence of object. Now the only difference between list and tuples are immutables. This means that once we set tuples, the value inside the tuples cannot be changed. Alright, so this is the type of data types which are available in Python. We will definitely discuss more about it. This is just a brief introduction. Now let us quickly check variables. What are variables? Variables are reserved memory location to store values, and these values can be used numerous times in our code, right? So variable name can be used to access the data in the assigned memory location. So these are like spaces where we can store some data. Alright, so this looks good. Now here is an example. A equals 75. In here A is the variable name, and we are storing 75 inside the variable A. Alright, so this is nice. Alright, now there are a couple of rules when it comes to naming variables. So let us also check that real quick. So the name of a variable begins with an underscore or a letter only. We cannot start a variable name with a number or any other special character apart from underscore. Alright, variable name are case sensitive. So ABC is not equal to ABC. So in here, take a note of the case. In here, A is in uppercase but BC are not. Likewise, in here, ABC all are in uppercase. So these are two different variables, and ABC is not equal to ABC in this example. Alright, then variable name cannot contain any punctuation characters like and, percentage, star, etc. So again, yet another important rule. Alright, so do take a note of these things, but even if you make a mistake, your compiler will throw an error. So don't worry about these small little details. We will cover things, and I am pretty sure that things will be super simple for you, because even if you make a mistake while coding, the Python interpreter will definitely interpret, and it will throw exception, and it will complain about your code. So definitely you are covered, and you won't be able to code wrong. It will throw errors. Alright, now moving forward, let us again check yet another rule. This is Python keywords or reserved words cannot be used as a variable name. So this is again yet another important rule. What are keywords? What are reserved words, right? So let us check this list. So here is the list of keywords. Take a note of it. Apart from that, there are like few identifiers, reserved words. Again, those cannot be used as a variable name. But again, if you try to make use of a variable name and the name is among the keywords, Python will again start complaining. You will get error. So you won't be able to execute your code if you do this mistake. But take a note of the keywords. We will check the usage of all of these keywords in this course, and everything will be covered in this course. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.